Yo guys, how's it going? Getting mass for ya with a team deathmatch Highrise, Groundwar, yes, let's go, versus SnifflingLime. Yeah, let's go. Shout out Kerps, shout out Fazzo, shout out Silas, shout out Lime. What should we do? Should we go for the first one snipe? Let's do it. Shout out Haru. Let's go. Oh my days, I actually got it. I thought I got fucking 5 there, like, because it said 500 and I shoot myself. Yeah, I'm not getting any more mates, so I'm going to run away before I get killed. Donald J. Trump. Haru, yeah, everyone's yeah. Oh, fuck's sake, I just been killed by level 18. That couldn't have happened literally 0.2 seconds earlier when I died. No way. Oh well, hopefully we'll get the horse. Well, it's not happening, like, but even if we did, it would have to leave and come back because everyone would hit it. And I would do that anyways because I don't want everyone to leave. I'd rather everyone play with their horse. I'd play with their horse any day. It's not even bad.
We've lost the lead.
Let's see if we can blow the barrel up. Oh, he's lucky. What?
We've taken the lead.
The pressure.
Counter UAV up.
Oh mate, I can't believe it.
UAV online. We've lost the lead.
Unreal. Let's kill this guy here.
We've taken the lead.
Oh my days. What is that? I just killed everybody. That was so good. Yeah, I'm not that good, so get shotguns out quick. Oh, I'm so pleased Haru come along. Save the day. I would have just got wiped out. Save your Haru with it. Alright, come on. Get this spawn trap quick before I get killed.
Hostiles jamming our radar.
There we go.
Enemy UAV spotted.
Should be more where that come from. No way, he's just injuring you. I was in a headshot. What? Oh yeah, you're cheating. There's no doubt about it. There has to be no doubt about it. Literally. Me and Hareen done the same thing.
Friendly Harriers inbound.
Oh, sniffing the line, wiping that line. Get in line.
The enemy is jamming our radar.
Oh, right.
Enemy Harriers
I need
incoming.
to put the javelin on and get creative. No, I don't. I need to... Okay, no, that's what I need to do.
Enemy UAV spotted.
Interesting.
Enemy Harriers incoming. We've taken the lead.
Haha, this is gonna be so good.
Enemy Harriers incoming.
You already know he's gonna run for a gap. Yeah, there we go. GG live, GG. Line fights in the room. Will you see when we're trying to do this and the gun doesn't like appear on your screen? I hear the music. Someone's going down. It's gonna be hilarious. Oh, he's on his way. He's got double kill for Snapchat again. Yeah! First kill again while he's doing me. No way.
Friendly Predator missile inbound.
Right, let's lie down here a minute and wait. It's gonna be so hilarious. No way. I don't think it's got time. Oh, as long as I don't get final kill cam. Oh, I nearly did. I haven't that in. Haru did. No.
The battle is lost, but the war has just begun.
No, Haru. We'll get him next time, don't worry.